Good morning, everybody. This is Sam Dog, the infamous 253, ready for another Exotics RTC Saturday, but it's early morning, and today I'm at the Lamborghini of Bellevue dealership, and we're getting ready to go for a ride in one of these nice Lamborghinis over here. This is a showroom in Bellevue, Washington. Got some Aventadors over here. It's got the blue SV. Don't know if they'll be able to pull that out because of, you know, all the space they got in here though too, but whew, being real, man. Wow. Hurricane Spider, McLaren of Bellevue, man. Aventador. Look at this is my buddy Shahin over there. You've seen him before in the videos. 918. Shahin, how you doing?
Good, man.
You know, just I hope you don't mind me showing my viewers the showroom before we get going. Yep. Bentley Continental Super Sport. Oh, look at this combination, the black and the red over here. So they kind of got, well, a little different on this McLaren Spider right here. Bentley. Oh, dang. She's just got to back a car out. We'll get more in a little bit later. Okay, so we're still waiting to get ready to go to RTC. Some of the Lamborghinis are pulled out, the SV's out. But take a look at this orange Aventador. Look at that. They got the orange, and then you got the blood orange interior on this car. Look at that. Blood orange with black on an Aventador. You got the Hurricane Performante Spider. This one I'm rolling in the SV. I'm about to roll in this blue one. Obviously I'm not driving though. I wish. We all wish though. Y'all remember this car. I've shown y'all this car before too. But wait till we're rolling. Wait till we're rolling in this one. Vroom, vroom. And so begins the ride to Redmond Town Center. Got my man Shahin right over here. Thank you once again. This is gonna be an awesome ride.
Got it, man. My
man Shahin from Lamborghini of Bellevue. And we are riding in the Aventador SV. Ooh, oh yeah, can't really try to, yep. See, you got the Lamborghini there. Can't really try not to show the speedometer because that's what Nick told me back at RTC. Listen to that engine hum on the car. Let me know when you're about to speed, so that way I can make sure I get this on the video, obviously. Aventador. Got an army of Lamborghinis about to follow. Driving into sport mode, I see. Lose my phone.
Yeah, you don't drop it.
Exactly, that's the tough part. Imagine people with them selfie sticks holding them out of Lamborghinis and GoPros and whatnots too. You guys remember from the first Redmond Town Center, I started out inside of this car when we were on our way to obviously when he already got here, I started out by hopping out of this car, but he had the top off too. Yep. Here we go. All right, there we go, there we go. I sure do miss the sensation. Good thing I picked the shades for the perfect occasion. the Lamborghini. I rode with Paula last weekend in her Ferrari for a quick 10-minute ride loop around on the freeway, and then of course took it back to RTC after that to go get my car. Whew. All right. Whew. Let me know when you're. Is it once you hit the freeway you start to hit the speed?
We're not gonna go fast.
Oh, okay. Oh, right.
Cops everywhere.
Oh, okay.
We're just going speed.
The car hum is good enough, though.
Yeah.
I'm just glad I'm capturing every moment of it, though. Oh, wow. Yeah, that Beamer's pretty cool. He just thumbs you up, gave you that thumbs up. Woo! Oh. All right, here's the freeway. This should 25-mile-per-hour ramp. Oh, we just gotta wait for the. So we're just waiting for the guys to catch up.
Yes.
Just gotta. Yeah. Woo. You think Greg's actually back in town from selling the GTO yet?
I do.
Look at that Hurricane Performante just pulled up in front. This is the good part. We're on the freeway, got all the Lamborghinis coming up. This is awesome. I gotta point out that you are the first person from the dealership I ever get to ride with, Shahin. Hurricane Performante Spider leads the army, Aventador SV, Aventador behind us, and another blue Aventador, which is owned by one of the customers, or is that another Hurricane? I think Dave's behind the pack right now, which is one of the clients. Yep. Like I mentioned, when I finally get the money enough to become a client, mine's gonna be special ordered in a bright red. I'll send you the link to the video once it's added too. What do you know? We're slowed up by a Prius. You will never see me in any form or way driving a Toyota Prius ever. I just drove it the one time at the Seattle International Car Show just to get it out of the way to say I've driven one. Especially after two separate Vegas trips in high school driving 2 Ferraris, and then later on in 2015 driving a Lamborghini Gallardo from a little Groupon deal. So we're in sport mode, there's Strada and Corsa, which, you want to explain that a bit to some of the viewers, Shahin?
Well, I put it in a sport because I like it.
Yeah.
It's much more alert.
Much more alert?
Yeah.
And I take it the little gauge on there too. It tells you when on the speedometer. It tells you when to shift, much like on the Ferraris, where it has a little red LED light that tells you when it shifts when it gets to one side, right? Yeah. Woo! Y'all enjoying the ride so far? All right, we'll get a little more once we get to RTC. Okay, so I have to skip that to kind of do some things for the Instagram and Snapchat story. And now we're getting ready for the pull in to RTC, which you go down this straight road. Good thing I brought a portable charger, huh?
Are you out of battery already?
Oh no, I'm not out of battery. I just saved up just in case, you know. You gotta be sure when you're doing these things. Looks like we got. Is that Tom? Yep, it's Tom.
Hey Tom.
Hey Tom, look at the sun.
How many of there are you?
Good morning.
You're gonna go into center court.
Oh, I see.
Hey Sam, how are you?
Doing good. I hitched the ride.
It's right now there are 4 of us. So should I go straight over?
Did you get
All
that?
the way down to the stop sign.
You got it.
Getting good YouTube material so far. I'm filming you, filming me. Hold up. West side.
Hey Sean. How are you, brother? Good to see you.
Hey Sean.
We are 4 of us.
4 of
Yes. One just turn right. Just go to the center.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Hang on 1 second.
You got it.
Ah, great. We're being interfered by a Toyota.
Yeah, they're headed your way right now. So keep this car out of the way. Okay. Go ahead.
Now today, since it's a special Italian day, the Italian cars all go in the middle of the square at Redmond Town Center.
Hey baby.
What's up, Jason?
Hey brother.
Kit car of a Ferrari California was just sitting over there. I thought that would also be in the square as well. Looks like we got another one of our guides right there. Woo. So Shahin, you going to buy to Seattle today?
No?
Have you ever done it before?
No, is it cool?
Well, I'm gonna go check it out for myself. I know they got music in that too, but I'm curious about what kind of food they got. Hey, look, we got a Ferrari Mondeo right in front of us. Now, the intro you really want to see me get though is when Greg Whitten comes out with if he's back yet, with a bunch of his Ferraris. I'm curious enough to see if he's going to bring the Enzo today or if he's still busy with that GTO. We won't know for sure. Anyway, here's the intro to the square. We got a little Ferrari Mondeo in front of us. Look at all the Lamborghinis behind us. There's that crazy F355 challenge car. I could tell. I could tell.
Kind of nuts.
I don't know if I met you before from out of the RTC workers. I'm Sam.
Gaurav.
Gaurav?
Yeah.
I'm one of the frequent visitors from PR. By the way, you're on the YouTube channel.
All right.
You're on the YouTube channel. I won't get the parking part, but you get what I'm saying. We're all gonna pull into the middle of the square and more stuff to come. Check it out. Somebody brought a bright red Aventador SV, the Rosa Corsa. If I had the money, this is how I would get mine. Like this, the hard top. This is badass. Woo! Dope, man. Dope. So let's take a little walk around the area, checking out some of the cars. Got the Ferraris, mixed Ferrari, Maserati, Ferrari Dino, Maserati, more Ferraris. Oh dang, that sun's bright. Oh, that's a cool one. 340 ATS Ferrari. Look at the rims on that. Oh, what the heck I got behind me? A Lamborghini Espada? Is that a Lambo Espada?
Yeah.
I hadn't seen one of those before.
Me either.
You just made my day now,
The Lamborghini Espada was what Rocky Balboa was driving before going to Russia to fight Drago. I would love to sit in that bright red Aventador SV too, you know, because you know how I feel about bright red exotic cars, like the Ferraris. This is the first time I've ever seen a red one. I would definitely take it in that style, right there, boy.
Yeah.
This is how I would get it. Is that one of those yours, the red one?
No, I wish.
Who owns that red one? I want to know who owns this red one. I rode in the blue one. Still awesome. Got Ferrari of Seattle here today. Look at this Diablo Roy brought out. The Diablo.
Yeah. If you're leaving on, then I go. Yeah.
What's up? Morning, John.
The guy's like, oh, I know why you want those.
It's going good. It's been a while, hasn't it? It's been a while. Yep, there's a lot of nice cars around the area, man. Hey, there's Paula's Ferrari. Don't know what kind of music is playing though. I mean, I hate when they do that, but I do not own any copyrights to any music, you know? But it's all about these cars today. This looks like our Tour de France, the bright red one. Dope. Like the style of this Ferrari. F12. I think this one's a Tour de France.
It is.
Nice. Love the red on this one too. Spencer Freed's car again. Nice shark. Di Tomaso's. And there's Mark's Aventador. More DMC, man. Diablo. These are some cool cars. Alfa Romeo, Ferrari Testarossa. There's Danny's Red Mercy all the way over there. Pretty cool, huh? It's an F355 Challenge. Raj's 360 Spider. An old Alpha. Another Tour de France. 360 Medina. Wow.
Okay, I knew he had another car. He had a car.
more a little bit later. I'm so curious to find out who owns this bright red Aventador SV, man. This is so freaking cool, man. I know I gotta show more of the cars though, but other than that, check this out though. This is what the original color was when they came out with this thing. I think Greg might still be out of town though. Thought he was gonna bring some of his cars. Hold on a second. Ferrari Seattle's here too. There's a Lancia right here too, man. Pretty sweet.
There's power.
Cool. Sorry? Sorry?
Oh, is it?
Paula. Hey, Paula. I'm Sam, by the way.
Sam, Jason,
Jason. So you were talking to Anthony earlier. Are you with Ferrari Seattle?
I am.
Yep. Ooh, it's pretty nice. This brand new.
This is a 14. It's a Speciale.
Speciality. Yep.
That's the knee pad when your passenger gets in there. When you gun it, their knees come up and it's a cushion.
So this actually is a brand, first time I've seen this. This is a Portofino, brand new Ferrari, which I take it this one is going to be the one replacing the Ferrari California, if I'm correct.
That's my son Reed.
Hi, how you doing?
My dad
Excuse me, sorry.
Jim.
How you doing?
Feels like a chick's car.
488 Spider. Ferrari Maserati Seattle showed up, obviously. FF. So how does the roof come out of this one? You have to hit like a certain button and whatnot. Obviously you can't have the trunk open, right? Because it would damage it. Ferrari.
He helped me do all this.
There's a guy who owns two Lamborghinis.
This is a cool style Murcielago. Look at that. Just like that one McLaren with the bronze rims. Sick style on this Murcielago. Got it in Orlando, huh?
Oh, got it. How you like it?
Huracan.
Yeah.
It's Chris's car. Nick Alliard's brother.
Get our water bottle and
So freaking cool, man. I won't be getting this on until way later since I'm going to the Bite of Seattle after this.
Oh yeah, they look terrible.
Okay, back in the main lot, and we got ourselves a Lamborghini Countach, man. This is the one everybody had posters of when they grew up in either the 70s or the 80s, the Lamborghini Countach. Got a Gallardo. A couple other Italian cars aren't there. Oh crap, I didn't get away in the pictures. You might want to try that again. Check this out. Lamborghini Countach, 5,000. Hold on. It's parked in the German area too. I guess some Ferraris didn't want to be the center of attention. Yep, I get to ride back in the Lamborghini a little later today. There's William's car. Man, good contributed. Ooh, look at this Mercy right here. That's a sick color. Hey, this is a pretty sick color combination. I didn't quite check out the action over here quite yet. So cool. LP650-4. Man, I want to take so many pictures too while I'm out here too. Ah, crud. Did Bond come out again? Ooh, look at that R8 over here. McLaren's. So.
Hey Sam, did you see a SLS Black Series, yellow color?
I don't think so.
Okay, yeah, I was told that it's here, but I maybe left.
I don't think so. I don't think so. Nope. Lotus. Lotus. Ooh, Lotus Esprit. Lotus Esprit. This is some of the action out in the main lot today. All right. GTR. Jaguar, some Aston Martin, another Jaguar, another Aston Martin. And there's some McLarens out there. I'm gonna go snap some, I'm gonna take some pics of some of these cars a little bit too. Like I mentioned, I'm trying to save the battery. Ferrari rolling off, another Ferrari rolling off. So cool. Ooh. Whoa, look at that. Like this R8 you got going on here. It's pretty cool. Got airbags on that sucker too. McLaren. Acura NSX. Sweet. Rick, I'll catch you at the next one. Might be time to get out of here in a little bit though. All right, so this, back at it again. This is it for our little RTC day. So now we're just getting ready to roll off and get back to the dealership. Fun day today. Thank you once again, Shahin.
Thanks, brother.
Yep. First time I got to ride out with my friends from Lamborghini of Bellevue, and hopefully we can get some more going too, and some other cars, you know. But for now, we're just gonna enjoy this nice little ride back and enjoy the hum of the Lambo. Ooh. All the other people filming. Make sure you get good footage. Ooh. Is that a super fast right there? No, that's Tour de France actually. It does the Tour de France. Got all the other people on the side trying to get footage. You know, I've done that before too. Everybody, if they try to get their YouTube videos, they always like to try to get everybody zooming off well.
Yeah, so what is the traffic for?
Nothing we can do about it, I guess. Guess there's a light, maybe. Dang.
Hey, Ronaldo. How are you, brother?
Yes, I'll be there in 5 minutes, brother. I'm driving.
Yep.
See you shortly.
Traffic.
Of course, brother.
Traffic is a little bad right now, as you can see. Hard to get. Can't help but go without noticing the hum of the car when you step on the pedal, wouldn't you say, Shahin? Whoa. Ah, darn it, we just missed the light. People filming. That's just part of the gig. Whew. Thank you once again, Shahin. This is really enjoying this, man.
It's awesome.
It is awesome. Wish I had this job too to be able to drive. But once I get my thing going with my company to be it, and then I'm able to get something big going and put my money one day towards this. Oh hey, look, we got a Ferrari right next to us. Little F355 action. Going on a YouTube video in a little bit. I'll just get a little bit of this driving this time. Yeah, this floor is like a little lightweight too. Yep, see? Because it's lightweight. Ooh. Arrow should be turning green in a little bit. That's the one. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. Yeah. Whew. There we go. Once again, y'all, also when I get the video up, don't forget to bang that subscribe button and show some support for the channel too. Ring the bell. Got some more car videos coming up, but this is the conclusion for the Italian sports car day at Exotics at Redmond Town Center. Up next, gonna get ready to go to Bite of Seattle. There's that sick red Aventador SV in front of this Toyota Tacoma over here. Ooh. But yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Appreciate all the support. And when there's more football activity going on, obviously got Seahawks training camp next week. So be ready for that. Coming soon, and get some player action. By the the way, Shahin, has Cliff Averill been in lately?
Yes.
I know he just did a rally with this Haitian creation Black Panther McLaren. I've been wondering what's been up with him. There's that red Aventador SV too. Whoa. Up in front of us, the red Aventador SV. Behind us, another Aventador. Whoa. Got a little speed on that. Not too much though, because there's cops around. Myself to be sure it wasn't a dream. This is for real. Until next time, guys, Sam Dog the Infamous 253 gonna sign out on this one, and remember, if you ain't with it, you ain't infamous.